Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In the last video you guys saw us install the Ghost. We haven't posted in a while because we've just been on summer break and we kind of got a little lazy, but we're back into it and we're going to be installing all these parts in the next few videos, probably in the span of like 3 videos. So if you see on the right, we got Sunoco wheels. We got 11s in the rear, 10s in the front. Both of the rims are 5 inches. The fronts are 4.5 inches wide and the rear are 6. So that should be plenty of grip in the front, and in the rear it doesn't really matter because we're gonna have PVC on it. If you see, we got the spindles right next to them. Then we got an NRG for it. We got a blue and gray one because we thought it matched the theme with the hubs and steering wheel. So we got the 2.0 version, so it's gonna have the ding. And then we got spacers on the bottom for the steering shaft because we don't really like how the pillow block bearings came out. They're so big and bulky. So we're just gonna have little spacers welded onto the frame. Then we got a little gas tank, 40 bucks off of Amazon. All the links for this is gonna be in the description. We're just gonna run that little tank because it doesn't look too bad. We might paint it a different color. We got a caliper off of Amazon for 30 bucks, even though it looks like it's worth like 60. A $50 clutch off of Amazon. That's hopefully going to be a lot better than those $30 ones that vibrate after like 10 minutes of use. We got a extreme chain, gold on black, so it's going to add some spice to the Ghost. We got little lights for the front. We're not going to hook them up to any battery just yet. We also got front hubs in blue to match the rears. We got a cheap steering wheel. We might upgrade it later to like an NRG, like a nice color or something, but for now that'll work, other than that pink one that we have on there right now. So that's what you're going to see us install in the next 2 or 3 videos, but for this video we're probably going to be doing the redoing the steering, so welding on those new spacers, and maybe the caliper, or that might be in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and let's get into it. While he's grinding, I'm going to go ahead and install the new clutch. We bought it off of Amazon, but it's originally a OMB warehouse clutch. OMB warehouse, they're about $100. This one was $55 on Amazon. It's like a 2-piece drift type clutch, something along those lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and install it. It came with a bolt.
so we got the steering shaft on with the little spacers. We just gave them a little bit of a notch with the grinder and then welded it on. And now we're trying to get our energy quick release on. And we had this hub laying around, so we're gonna take it and use it. We marked how much approximately we need to just notch off with the grinder so that then we can get the bolts on. So we're gonna do that now, and then hopefully we can get the ding quick release on by the end of this video. So kind of a trashy hub, but it'll do the job.
Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we got our steering pretty much almost done. We still have to get a little bit of hardware for the NRG because we don't have 6 bolts and nuts. But so we got the spacer right there, if you could see, if you could focus in. Right there, done, bolted up. We got the spindles redone, you could see right there, and then the shaft goes up to a little kind of ugly plate that we made, but it works. The way it has this design is to fit the nut in between the little nut crack, and then this is our spacer. We have a lock collar to make sure the shaft doesn't go anywhere. But yeah, so we're gonna get our NRG on probably next video, like completely permanently, because we need to get the hardware. But yeah.
Also, it goes this adapter, which is a 3-bolt to a 6-bolt.
The 6-bolt bolts onto the bottom of the NRG, then the NRG is on the steering wheel right here.
So there's kind of a lot of brackets and types of flanges and all that.
Alright guys, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Soon we're going to start doing race car content. It's going to be a Margate kart that we got. We have a really good engine for it. We're not going to say it just yet. Not yet, but you guys, it's a really good engine, and little hint, it's a 2-stroke. So that's gonna be some good content. We're gonna be doing a full build on that. Like pretty much everything's gonna be brand new on that kart. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna be doing probably a lot of how-to videos. How to install this, how to install that, and by the end of that series, we're gonna have a really fast go-kart. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoy this content. Like and subscribe, it really helps us out. Catch you guys on the next one.